Joseph Albert was born on March 19, 1888 in Blattrap, Germany. He went to Homage College in Weimar, Germany, and was the only professionally trained educator. Albert was a painter, poet, sculptor, art theorist, and an educator. He studied to become a teacher in Marin from 1905 to 1940. He left Germany in 1933 to help found North Carolina's Black Mountain College and its arts center, Zurich. Black Mountain College is a liberal arts college with a focus on the fine and decorative arts. He worked as head of the art department at Black Mountain College from 1933 until 1949. In 1949, he left Black Mountain College and moved to Connecticut to serve as the chairman of the design department at Yale University. He taught at Yale for 9 years. Some of his most successful students were Robert Roxenberg, Cy Twombly, Richard Anneskiewicz, Eva Hesse, and John Chamberlain. While he was lecturing at Yale, he began his most famous part of his artwork, which is a series of Homage to the Square. Homage means to pay respect. Why pay respect to a square? What do you think of paying respect to a square?
We don't really think about that all the time.
I think Joseph Albers meant we should think of the square as not being ordinary, but extraordinary. What I like about the square is that the square is a square on Earth and all throughout the universe. Albers considered all the smaller squares to be studies for a later complete statement. His artwork showed that ideas and emotions could be conveyed through simple geometric shapes and ordinary colors. He would almost always use squares in his paintings. Some of the colors in his paintings were happy and some were sad. Homage to the Square Early Rising II was painted in 1961 oil on cardboard. It is abstract and looks like it goes from night to sunrise today. He used purple for the night, orange for the sunrise, and yellow for the day. Here are some other examples of his artwork. He retired in 1958 at the age of 70. After he retired from Yale, he continued to teach, giving lectures at colleges and universities throughout the country. He died in New Haven, Connecticut on March 25, 1976. He lived for exactly 88 years and 6 days. He made over 1,000 paintings in his Homage to the Square series from 1950 until his death. For my interpretive piece, I wanted to do a little twist and make it homage to the rectangle. I made my interpretive piece by cutting out rectangles and gluing them together. I did that because I wanted to make rectangles instead of squares. The materials that I used were paper for the rectangles, glue to glue the rectangles together, and scissors to cut out the rectangles. What Joseph Albers wants you to see is, like I said before, the square is not ordinary, it's extraordinary.